Hi guys, it's Sunday, August 16th, and it's a very rainy day, and I am on my way to my parents' house. They have harvested some tomatoes. We are still in the time of the first harvest, so it's a great time to make tomato sauce and jar it for the winter. So I'm heading over there now. I think my dad's all set up and stuff, so I guess I will walk you guys through the process and show you how us Sicilians jar our tomato sauce at the end of every summer. This process is always a lot of fun, and it gets the whole family involved, and I would like to take you guys along and show you how we do it. So let's go.